Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, today's video is going to be a little birthday celebration for Toby. So this was like from last week, and I'm just doing the intro. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the rest of it.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
The next day.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Alright guys, so we're here at Frenchman's Cove. We never reached the beach part yet. We have to walk to it. Gifts. So we're going there. So we're heading there. The beast. The beast. People, the beast. Oh my, my, my. Guys, this bath suit is showing everything. Okay. Birthday girl. Hey. Didn't even see her. Oh, alright, let's go, people. We need to get to the water. You're holy, holy, but you're clean. No, what you lick me for? Which one I want to lick me?
I don't feel like the guy, I'm putting it wrong.
Okay.
Stay there. Don't worry. Welcome to the type queen.
You don't want to be 30. Oh my god. Poor thing.
No. I expect somebody else. Which one is the ghetto one?
The 31, the 30 flirty. I know that. Her birthday queen one.
Be rough like you.
When? Sorry. But now you up meat. You should know. Sorry. So sorry.
I'm going to kill you.
Can you kill me? At this one?
Oh, talk 30 to me. Yeah. No, so you can get it now. Yes, I remember some of them, but only
Pin it down and in.
But this girl don't relax herself and let me do this right. Are there any snakes? Any crocodiles?
No, no. The water is like. They got swings. Cove, so what you looking?
Oh, idiot.
Oh, and a long way, miss. Another way there. Another way there. Or the other way.
Chop.
So it definitely are catching at the water.
I like that one there.
Other way there. You mean?
Got that living on my back? Yeah, that me see. Yep. Another same one? Okay, so okay. Yeah, I'm not chicken. No, sorry. Then me not for chicken wall. Can't cross the river Jordan.
It's not deep. Cove, come put on back them here. Where you going to lift them?
Where am I putting?
I was trying something and I did something bad.
Oh, for the phone?
No. Oh. What are they doing, people?
Oh, make it try this.
What?
How am I going to do this thing? I want to try.
Wait. Tie it up on the tree. Somebody hold the other one.
Oh, who said you don't have sense? I don't know nothing.
If I can't find one tree behind this, over there, so it could be done the same way. So tie one and somebody grab the other end and hold it. Don't bother pull it, no bother tie so you can't pull off.
Into the toilet.
We're in the river part and we're going to take some pictures over at the swing here. So yeah, there's the swing. Hey guys, it's not that scary.
Scary.
No, it's not.
Toby, push me, go away. I'm kid.
I know, right? She's evil. So yes, this is like the little river part. So you have a little swing right here. So yeah, wait no. Alright guys, so we're leaving now.
Yes, guys, we're leaving now. And as birthday girl have been sand washed.
We go follow Shanique. Go in a sand part and now we will like sand in Pawi. Anyways, this is my outfit. Her outfit.
Because me nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.